Running is a great way to stay fit and healthy. It can help you lose weight, improve your mood, reduce stress, and even strengthen your immune system. But do you know what happens to your body when you run for 30 minutes every day? Regular running can have a range of benefits. We will explore the various ways in which running for 30 minutes every day can benefit your body and mind. So let's get started. Improving cardiovascular health and fitness. Running is an extremely fun kind of exercise since you may see results almost immediately. You'll be able to run longer and faster while keeping steady oxygen levels after a few weeks. As a result of the increased exercise, your muscles will adjust, and you will feel more assertive in your legs and core. Burning calories. Running is an excellent way to burn calories and lose weight. Your muscles use energy that your body has stored as carbohydrates or sugars when you run. Your body burns fat when it eats sugar, decreasing stress and anxiety. Exercise raises the level of norepinephrine in your body, a hormone that regulates our brain's response to stress. If you've had a stressful day, sweat it out. A short run will help reduce stress and improve your ability to deal with current mental tension. Increasing energy and focus. It may be tempting to forego the gym in favor of Netflix when your energy levels are low, but that half hour of the run can provide you with the required boost. Running will give your body the push it needs to keep running smoothly by providing oxygen and nutrients to your muscles and supporting your cardiovascular system in working more efficiently. Improving quality sleep. A 30-minute run may help people who have difficulty sleeping. Regular running can aid in restoring a disordered circadian rhythm and increasing the amount of time spent in deep sleep, boosting self-esteem and confidence. We all have days when we feel less than average. A half-hour run might be the difference between a self-pity sobbing session and a well-earned boost of confidence, so go sweating. Your body will repay you in the long term. Build strong bones. Running is a weight-bearing activity. This means that the force of your body against the ground when running helps to strengthen your bones. This is especially important as you become older since it can help reduce your risk of acquiring osteoporosis. In conclusion, running for 30 minutes has been proven to benefit our health, mind, and spirit. Besides the obvious physical advantages, there are several other advantages. While running may feel and sound difficult, 30 minutes is not overwhelming. If you're just starting, you may alternate between walking and jogging. The next step requires running for 30 minutes without stopping, which is roughly equivalent to jogging 3 miles without stopping. Have you tried running before? Let us know in the comments section. Please subscribe to this channel and stay healthy and beautiful.